day 9, reducing anxiety with yoga. So come and join me and Tracy as we do this together. And if you want to do this later, that's fine. It's up to you how you want to go about this. So sit tight and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 9 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is about incorporating a little bit of movement, a little bit of yoga moves into our meditation. So sometimes when you're doing meditation, it can be difficult to immediately jump into a seated meditation. So I suggest that maybe you need to move a little bit, move the spine, move the waist, move your shoulders and your neck before you jump right into a seated meditation. So before we completely get started, what I'd like for you to do is keep your left knee bent and then take your right leg extended out. And we're just going to stretch over a little bit. So it's not a really deep, super stretch. You're just going to kind of lean over to your right and just kind of flex your right foot a little bit. And then lift back up, and then you're going to bend your right leg in. You're going to take your left leg, extend it out, flex your left foot, of course, lean over a little bit, and come back to center. Then cross both legs once again. You're going to sit up nice and tall, take a deep breath, and then as you exhale, you're going to twist to your right. So your right hand is going to drop behind you, your left hand is going to come to your knee, and you're going to lightly twist. And you can gaze over your right shoulder a little bit. One more little breath. Keep those shoulders relaxed. And then you're going to inhale, come back to center, and then twist over to your left. So the right hand is going to drop to your left knee. The left hand is going to release behind your hips. And then you're going to inhale, come back to center. On the next breath, lift both arms over your head, interlace your fingers, turn the palms up towards the ceiling, and then stretch over to your right. So you're going to keep that left hip and left knee relaxed and rooted towards the mat. And you're going to press those palms all the way over to your right. And breathe in, come back to center, and then stretch over to your left. Press the palms to the left, keep your right hip rooted towards your blanket or your pillow. Keep your chest open, shoulders relaxed. One more breath. Inhale back to center. Reach your fingertips all the way up. Lift your chest, maybe even lean back a little bit. And then exhale, release the hands towards your knees. Soften your chin into your chest. Kind of get a little stretch to the back of your neck. And if you need to gently rock your head from right to left, simply do that a few times. And then you're going to bring your chin back to center. All right, the hands can rest on your knees now. Chin is parallel to the earth. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Just feeling that breath lightly come in and out through your nose. If it feels natural for you to breathe in through your nose and slowly out of your mouth, proceed with that. Just feel the breath coming in. The mind begins to wander. Allow those thoughts to simply drift away with your exhale. Try not to force your way into keeping the thoughts out. Just breathe. Follow the breath. Maintain stability in your spine by sitting up tall, the crown of the head lifting. Stay tapped into your breath. just a few more easy breaths here. Allowing the thoughts to simply drift in if they show up, and drift out with the exhale. Breathing in, exhale out of your mouth. Bring the palms together, rub them, create a little heat, and then slide those hands over your eyes, breathing in. And as you exhale, release the hands towards your knees, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here for our meditation, and I will see you on tomorrow.